Hello, this here is the general form of a quadratic expression. We're going to start simply. A will be 1 and C will be 0. So we have x squared plus, let's say, 8x. Now, to complete the square in this expression, we will write this. This is our starting point. Now in here we put half of this number, so x plus 4. Now if we open these brackets out, we expand these brackets, let's say x plus 4 squared means x plus 4, x plus 4, which is equal to, if you know the FOIL method, x squared plus 4 times x plus 4 times x is 8x plus 16 plus 16. So in order for this expression to be equal to the original expression, we need to subtract 16 from it. This is the completed square form of this expression. So we put half of the coefficient of x into here, and then we subtract from the expression the square of this number because we have squared it here, and that's completed. Now let's do another one. Let's say x squared plus half x. I'll give you a few seconds, pause the video, see if you can solve it by yourself. Okay, here we go. Now, as before, we set up our framework like this, and we put half of the coefficient in x here. So x plus a half of the coefficient of x. Half of a half is a quarter. But we need to subtract the square of this number as well. So we take 1/16 away from that. So to summarise this technique, when we have x squared plus bx, any number, b, we set up our framework and we put half of b in here, half of b, and then we subtract b over 2 squared. Now let's introduce our constant c. Let's say we have x squared plus 9x plus 3. Now this is equal to x plus 9 over 2 squared minus our squared number here. 9 squared is 81 over 2 squared is 4 plus 3. So we plus our 3 there, which is equal to x plus 9 over 2 squared minus 69 over 4. Now we're ready for the full complexity of this expression. Let's start with 2x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now we need to factor out any common factors from the x squared and the x terms. So we can take out the common factor of 2. X squared plus 4x minus 3. Now we progress in the same way as we did in the previous examples. We need to make our expression for this. So inside these brackets we have x plus half of the coefficient of x, and then we square those terms, and we need to subtract the square of this number here, which is 4, and then we have our minus 3 on the end. Next, we will distribute this 2 to the negative 4, so we have 2x plus 2 squared minus 8 minus 3. Simplifying this, our solution is 2x plus 2 squared minus 11. Let's do a couple more for practice. Let's say we have 2t squared minus 5t plus 4. Now, these two don't have a common factor, but we can take it out anyway. This becomes 2 multiplied by t squared minus 5 over 2 plus 4. Now, we do this again. We have the t minus half of this number, 5 over 4 squared, minus the square of this number, 25 over 16 plus 4, which is equal to, remember to distribute this to here, 2t minus 5 over 4 squared minus 50 over 16, because we've multiplied by this 2, plus 4, which is equal to 2t minus 5 over 4 squared plus 7 over 8. That's it. Now let's consider the case where the coefficient of x squared is negative. Let's say we have negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. Now we need to take out this negative 3 from the x squared and the x term, so negative 3 x squared minus 2 over 3 x minus 4, because negative 2 over 3 multiplied by negative 3 is plus 2. Now we open these brackets out, minus 3 x minus half of this, 1 over 3, we should have a bracket here 2 squared, subtract the square of this number, minus 1 over 9 minus 4. Now we'll expand the outer bracket, this term with this term. We have negative 3 x minus a third squared plus 1/3, multiplying this and multiplying this, minus 4, which is equal to negative 3 x minus a third squared minus 11 over 3. And this is our completed squared form of this expression. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you next time.